Hello student, today's lecture we have to see the basic three tags, that is the map tag, second area tag, third one iframe tag. Okay, then see here map tag first. Map tag or image mapping. Before that, you have to know what is image mapping. Image mapping. Image mapping. There are two types of image mapping. First one is client side image mapping. Image mapping. And second is server side image mapping. Server side image mapping. Client side and server side. There are two types of image mapping. इमेज मॅपिंग जे आहे याचे दोन टाईप्स आहेत. त्यामध्ये क्लायंट साईड इमेज मॅपिंग अँड सर्व्हर साईड इमेज मॅपिंग. देन क्लायंट साईड इमेज मॅपिंग, the image which is executed on a client machine, it's called as a client side image mapping. While server side image mapping, the image is executed on a server. Any server. It is any server. Okay, for that we require, for the image mapping we will require here area tag, map tag. Okay, we require here area tag, third one image tag, for the purpose of इमेज मॅपिंग. तर इमेज मॅपिंग कशाला म्हणायचं बेसिकली, तर इमेज मॅपिंग हे असं आहे की फॉर एक्झाम्पल त्याचं आउटपुट आहे तुमच्याकडे, ठीक आहे. तर इथे एक इमेज घेतली. फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू टेक इमेज, एनी इमेज. ती इमेज घेतली तुम्ही. ओके, इमेज घेतली, एनी इमेज. त्या इमेजवर आपण असं एक लोकेशन तयार करणार आहे इथं, की याच्यामध्ये शेप लोकेशन असं तयार करणार. इथे एक लोकेशन असेल, इथे एक असेल, इथे एक असेल, कुठेतरी लोकेशन त्याला कोऑर्डिनेट्स देणार आहे आपण. आणि या कोऑर्डिनेटच्या खाली जे पॉईंट्स तयार होणार आहेत, कुठले ते त्याला हॉटस्पॉट म्हणणार आहे आपण. त्याला हॉटस्पॉट म्हटलं जातं. हॉटस्पॉट. ओके, हॉटस्पॉट म्हटलं जातं. ह्याच्या खाली जे कोऑर्डिनेट्स, ह्याला जर तुम्हाला जर असं एक पिक्चर येईल, हाताचं पिक्चर येतं असं त्या लोकेशनला जिथं कोऑर्डिनेट्स असतात, आणि त्याच्यावर प्रेस केलं की तुम्हाला ते शेप तयार होतो. तिथं मग रेक्टँगल तयार होईल, सर्कल तयार होईल किंवा पॉलिगॉन तयार होईल. शेप कुठले असतात, शेप बघा, शेप तीन आहेत, रेक्टँगल, पॉलिगॉन, सर्कल. तीन शेप तयार होतात. आणि याच्या खालचा जो एरिया असतो त्याला आपण हॉटस्पॉट म्हटलं जातं. द एरिया विच इज कवर्ड ऑन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर लोकेशन इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ हॉटस्पॉट. आणि त्याच्यावर क्लिक केल्यानंतर नेक्स्ट पेज ओपन होणार आहे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ इमेज मॅपिंग. इमेज मॅपिंग कशाला म्हणणार आहे तुम्ही, तर इथं जर क्लिक केल्यानंतर जर ह्या इमेजवर, ह्या हॉटस्पॉटवर जर तुम्ही क्लिक केल्यानंतर नेक्स्ट पेज जे ओपन होणार आहे त्याला आपण इमेज मॅपिंग म्हणतोय. ओके, हे झालं इमेज मॅपिंग. ओके, then त्यासाठी रिक्वायर्ड काय तर तुम्हाला IMG टॅग लागेल. IMG ॲट्रिब्यूट तुम्हाला माहीत आहे लास्ट इयर वी हॅव स्टडीड. SRC मीन्स सोर्स ऑफ द इमेज. मी त्याला पाथ देणार आहे तुम्ही इथं पाथ ऑफ द इमेज जो काय असेल तो पाथ ऑफ इमेज. ओके इमेज टॅग 1. सेकंड map tag. Map attribute of map is name. Name is any name. Third one, in map tag we use here area tag. In map tag we use here area tag, and then last one map close. Okay, third one area tag. Attribute of area tag. First one, see here the attribute of the area tag. Attribute of the area tag. Area tag attribute कशाला म्हणायचं लास्ट इयरला बघितलेलं आहे. attribute gives extra information regarding to that tag is called as attribute of that tag. Okay, area tag. Then attribute, first attribute is href means hypertext reference. Okay, first one, path of the href means any text that the path of that text is called as a hypertext. Second attribute is shape. Okay, shape, there are three shapes here. Is first one rectangle, we have to write here RECT, rectangle. Poly means polygon, and third one is a circle, and we have to write here total circle here. There is three shapes used in image mapping. Third one, chords, COORDS, chords. Third attribute, chords means coordinate. For example, here the coordinate for the rectangle we use 4 coordinates here. For example, here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore we have to write here 4 coordinates. Okay, x axis and y axis, rectangle. Okay, then circle, for the circle we require 3 points. For the circle we have to require 3 points here, 1, 2 and 3. For the circle required 3 points. Here is 4. Poly means many. There is no particular shape. It is multi. Therefore, it requires many. Okay. That is the coordinates. Then alt. Fourth one, alt. If we require alternate name for that area, for that particular image, we require alt. Alt means alternate. Okay. That are the four attributes of the area tag. First one, href, that is hypertext reference of any file. Shape. Here in image mapping we use three shape: rectangle, polygon and circle. For the rectangle we require 4 points. For the circle we require 3 points. For the polygon we require many points. Okay. That is the last one is alt. Alt is nothing but the alternate name of that image. Okay. Then we check here the example of the image mapping we see in a next lecture, but we see here the next tag, that is the iframe tag. iframe tag. iframe tag. iframe tag. Next, iframe tag. iframe tag. The tag is also called as a floating tag. Floating tag. Floating frame. If the frame is floating or iframe, inline frame, I stands for inline. For example, suppose the output is in that particular loop. Here the loop is that type, original loop. But if we use iframe tag, then look is like this type. There is not in a total border, missing the any border here. Therefore, it is called as a floating frame or inline frame. If we use iframe tag, then frame is look like this. There is missing of any side in that frame. Therefore, it is called as an inline frame or floating frame. Therefore, attribute of that iframe tag attribute, see here the first attribute of the iframe tag. First one attribute is 1 for the iframe tag. Width, height, SRC is the basic SRC. First one SRC. SRC means source. That is the URL, Uniform Resource Locator of the any path. It is a path. Okay. Second attribute is width. That is the width of that frame. That is the width of that frame. Okay. That is in pixel. Any side is in a pixel. Okay. Third one, height, which is also in a pixel. Fourth one, name, that is the name of the frame. And fifth one, SRC code, SRC doc. Here SRC doc That is the HTML code. It is a HTML code. It is a SRC document HTML code. Here it specifies the HTML content the page to show in the iframe. That is the whole code here. Here is code program. Okay. For that purpose, we take the simple program for the iframe tag here. Floating frame, the frames which has having only 2 or 3 borders here is called as a floating frame. Here is missing border. Here the output is look like this. Here is HGM College Karad. Okay. Then here the border is missing here. 2 borders are missing. Output is looks like this. Okay. Then here is program for that HTML or excellent mark doc type. Here is HTML head title mean or floating frame or inline frame title close here close then body tag, and after that body tag we use here iframe tag. Iframe, the attribute, first attribute is SRC, that is the which program we have to show in that particular location, that is the path of that program. Here is the page 1.html program we have to show here. Okay, that is the first attribute is SRC, and then we use the second attribute is width of that program, which is in pixel, suppose 300, which is in pixel. We use also height attribute here, which is 300 here. Okay, which is 300 here. Okay. Then write the word which we have to display as GM College Karad. Iframe close here, body close, and HTML close. Okay, that is the program for the iframe tag. Iframe tag is used to show floating frame or inline frame. That is not a total border here. Missing in border, that is a inline or floating. Okay, that is the simple program for the iframe tag, and that are the attributes of the iframe tag here. Okay, thank you. Next, the program for the image mapping we see in the next lecture. Thank you.